From the air, it's a never-ending mass of trees. You could fly over the forest like this for hours. Seen from the rivers, it's a jungle, a chaotic tangle of life. But there is a degree of order. Here we're 35 metres above the forest floor. We're looking out over the treetops. This is a canopy, and you see a few tall trees standing out above the canopy. Some of these are 50 metres tall. Lower the camera and we pass through the canopy layer itself, the branches of trees 30 metres tall. Lower still and we enter the under canopy, the branches of young trees waiting to break through into the canopy. And nearer the ground, the shrub layer on the forest floor. So definite sections: shrub layer, under canopy, canopy, and emergent trees. We can see it better in a model forest. The emergent trees, the canopy, the under canopy, and the shrub layer. The question is, why is the forest structured in this way? The answer is light. Light is one of the key factors determining the nature of the rainforest. All of the plants in the forest are involved in a life or death struggle for sunlight. The energy of the sun is needed for the process of photosynthesis. Once the canopy was formed, sunlight was almost completely shut out from the forest floor. Some plants have adapted to the dark. Some will catch the sun for only a few minutes of the day. Some make a dash for the canopy. Trees grow tall and straight towards the light. Others climb towards the sunlight. They cling onto the trees and they can be more than 100 metres long. If a tall tree should fall, there's a rush to take its place and break out into the light. But it's the canopy that captures most of the sun's energy. That's why it's the engine of the rainforest. It is here that the vegetation is most luxuriant. It is here that the flowers and fruit appear. And it is here that most of the animal life is found. By comparison, the forest floor is dark and quiet, and the wildlife difficult to spot. But there is a lot going on there. We'll find out more later. As well as light, plants need water and warmth, and there is no shortage of either. In fact, Amazonia is one of the